Well, today we're going to look at Alteryx Challenge 390. Uh, I have run the workflow already. Let's have a look what kind of data do we have. So what we have here is some kind of quick data for different teams. So in the first column, we'll provide some T20 series. We're looking to find the US team. So US team, we're probably going to pick the team column. Yes, USA will be interested. It's in the data set. Then we're gonna looking for the top five rounds for the US score. So we have rounds, which columns so we have a round column, then we have a name column for the player. So the idea, I guess, we're gonna just do some column selection, do some row selection. Rounds from the look of it, we notice we have some kind of star in it, so this must be a string column. Then you have a DNB. According to my colleagues who know about cricket, did not participate or did not bat. Okay, with that idea, let's do what we need. Let's have a look at the final results. So yes, we're looking for individual player name. So that's some group by. We have some summation of the rounds. Generally, one play data, I prefer to reduce the data size, make it more manageable. So it's probably quicker to reduce the rows for now. So column selection, I select row selection with a filter. Either one is fine. We can right click on the results pane, select the text, just make sure we are typing correctly. So if we say, okay, for the team, we want to be USA only. Let's run the workflow. That should filter out to the US team with a lot of players. So next, we're interested to get a rounds column. So for the rounds column, we can do is probably some kind of select to drop column, the unnecessary columns. For me, I probably keep it as is. I would just want to get the information out of the rounds. Because the type has string DNB, the text there, we cannot do much of it. Let's just create a separate column instead. So let's say rounds in number. Change the date type. Usually, I prefer to do that first. Make sure my column type is what I expected. 16 should be fine. People don't run too many. What do we have? Let's actually break things step by step. Let's call it 30. Probably it's easier for people to see what that idea. V-string is fun. The aim is we only want the numbers within the dataset. So we can say regex, which I prefer. So we're going to regex replace. So even though it's called a replace, we can extract the information we're interested. From the round column, what's the pattern? We can see if we enter the number, so the number does start. We can put a little hat for the starting position. We only interested in digit, so round the bracket to do some capture group. So we have some digits, we have a plus, so we want the continuous digits. Capture all those as much as you can. There may be star, DNB, so anything else, we don't care, dot star. Let's give that a call. Let's say $1 for the first column, first capture group. And we can run it so people can see the dummy column should be the intentions. So this is catching DNB. Why it's catching DNB? Interesting. Why is catching DNB? I'm looking for digits. Uh, da, da, da. That's a bit annoying. Um, anyway, that's fine. We can still handle that with the if statement. So round scene number. Integers fine. So we're interested. So we want four things to be if statement. If my dummy equals the text DNB, did not but, then give the number 0. Else every other text in the column, we want two numbers. But remember, the previous part, the semicolon is still a string, so we do need a casting test number first. We did data type, so let's just run, see where to go. So we can see on numbers, that should be what we anticipated, 39. 39, DNB should give us zeros. So we have our rounds column, we have filtered to yes, then we just need to do a group by. So we're interested, so for each player, group by, we're counting how many rounds you have. Let's do a summation on the digits. For us, the question is looking for the top 5. It's a quite standard combination for the top n. Or with the data we have, let's say we're going to select descending. We're looking for the top 5 rounds we have. So we have 540, 200, 200, so for of the 200s. Sample is the one to select the first n rows. So we're going to select. Ooh, probably I need to do a sort first. So we sort number descending in terms of number of rounds. So we select the top 5 player. And so previously we can see 540 is the top one. 266 Alan Jones, JS Malhotra. Yeah, so that is this challenge. It's actually quite straightforward. Nothing too special about data set. Standard selections fun. Sometimes maybe people not less familiar with regex may want to use some other passing method. But regex, if you get better on it, it's actually really useful for handle the strings. Okay, thanks for watching.